What's up, YouTube? I'm back, and in this video, I'm going to go over what I've been up to trading wise and what I have planned for the future for you guys as well. All right, so first things first, I still been trading. I know it's been a while since I've actually uploaded a YouTube video. I just been in dark mode, just grinding, and I was able to accomplish one of my biggest goals, which was to purchase my first home. All right, and it's a really nice home at that as well. So I was just out grinding, and by grinding, I mean I was still constantly trading, consistently trading, and getting these payouts from Apex, payouts from FTMO as well, as you guys will see. I'm actually about to get a payout from FTMO, and they just came back, I believe, a couple weeks ago. I'm not too sure the exact date. However, I'll go over all of that. All right. So, what I have planned for the future, what I have planned is that I plan on helping as much people as possible become profitable traders. All right. So, let me take you guys to this real quick. So if you could see this, this is my website, you guys, and this is where I plan on helping as much people as possible. I've helped a lot of people get payouts in the Discord group that I have. I have a free Discord group, and I just post my setups and answer a few questions. Um, I will post the link in the bottom of the description of this video for the free Discord group. But if you want more help as far as more one-on-one, teachings, like my strategy from inside out, I have an updated video course that has my up-to-date strategy and how I'm able to catch consistent wins easily in the market. So I have all of that planned for you guys. So my website is here, precisionprofit.net, and you guys can just come on here. If you want the signals group, you could do that as well. Or if you want just one-on-one mentorship, lifetime mentorship, let me know. So these are some of the results of some of the traders in the group. This is Celestin Capital. He was killing it in the market, killing it in the group. Let me see if I could back out of here. Let's see. And then here as well, I got funded with Top Step and was able to get payouts with Top Step as well. I was able to get I can't recall. I believe it was a $4,000 payout. I'm not too sure. I don't really remember honestly, but I'll post the screenshot later on in this video. So this just goes to show the results are real. This is no fake mentorship that you guys are probably used to. This is no fake mentorship. This is really me showing you guys how I was able to accomplish my goals through trading. And I'm just passing on the knowledge to you guys. All right, so if we look here, this is my FTMO. I was able to pass the challenge phase and the verification phase within just 1 week. Yeah, I was able to pass both of the phases within 1 week. And as you can see, I have 10 days until a payout. So right now, I'm just going to not trade. I'm going to just leave this account here so that I could get my payout. That way, I make my return on investment. All right, so I'm big on making my return on investment before I actually start scaling up the account. You always want to make sure that you're making, whatever you put in, you want to make sure that you make that money back. All right. So for instance, since I bought the 50K account, which costs about $400, I want to make sure that I'm getting that money back. That way, I'm really trading with profit. That way, I'm not having anything to lose. So therefore, I am due for like a $1,500 payout because FTMO gives the refund back plus the profit. You get 80% of the profit that you made. So I'm looking at about $1,400 for my first payout with FTMO. So I'm looking forward to that. After I get my payout, I will scale up and hopefully get a 10K payout. That's my next goal. All right. Moving forward, Tradeify. Currently, I'm up $5,000 in profit. I did the instant funding with Tradeify, and I paid $500 for the 150K account instant funding. So you can't make more than 20% consistency rule. So this takes a while for me to kind of get a payout because the rules, I got to stay within the rules. So that is why I'm close to a payout. Actually, I believe this week, hopefully, I should be able to get my payout, and I will update you guys. So this is just to show you guys that it's actually possible to make a living through trading forex or trading futures through these, either through live trading or trading on prop firms. It's possible. You guys can actually make good money just simply trading on these prop firms. So on Tradeify, if I were to get this payout, this would be a $3,500 payout. All right. So imagine if I'm getting 3,500 plus 1,400 just in 1 week from trading these prop firms. Imagine if I scale that up with multiple accounts. All right. So the there's endless possibilities and type of scenarios where you can make a lot of money trading this industry. But the most important thing is having that knowledge to actually trade. You can't just come on the chart and any, meeny, miny, mo your way to profitability. You have to actually know what you're doing, and you have to actually have a routine and an actual trading plan to be really successful in this market. All right. So with that being said, I will show you guys step by step my journey on getting these consistent payouts. I will update you guys regularly. I'm here to stay now. I'm not gonna disappear for months. I'm going to be as active as possible trading. I'm gonna be as active as possible trading the markets and as transparent as possible, showing you guys my success as well as my failures. I'm not one of those trading mentors that are scared to show you them losing, right? I don't care if I lose because it's a part of the game. And I think of losses as learning lessons because you really do learn from your losses. I'm okay losing a trade if it just doesn't go my way. What I'm not okay is losing a trade if I didn't stick to my trading plan. All right. So I believe sticking to your trading plan. If you fail, if you fail and not stick to your trading plan, I believe that is the true loss. All right. But losing in the market is a part of the game. Even the best traders in the world loses. All right. So trust me, in the academy, we go through each of my setups and we break down a lot of different aspects on my strategy and a lot of psychology as well. As you guys should know by now, trading is all about psychology. It's 90% psychology, 10% skills. So if you don't have a good grasp on having the right mindset on trading, then you will struggle in this market. All right. So if you guys can see here, gold has been going crazy. Gold has been making a lot of people rich in the market by going on this crazy uptrend. Imagine if you bought, let's say, all the way from here, right? Imagine you just bought from here. This is a lot of money, just this move, if you are able to capitalize off this move. So I'm going to break down, show you guys how you could catch moves like this in the market. And it's so simple. Don't let people tell you trading is harder than what it needs to be. Trading is as simple as possible. Keep it as simple as possible. All you're looking for is a break of an area and a retest. That's all you're looking for, a break of an area and retest. Notice here, we could have caught a trade once the market broke above this high, came down, retest, and we could have rolled this all the way up. Right? Don't make trading harder than what it needs to be. So right here, looking at gold, all I'm looking for, we broke this high here, right? We broke this high. Market broke above this high. What do you think I'm looking for? I'm looking for the market to come back to the area it broke and to have some type of rejection and to eventually buy up from here. So on this, once the market gets here, I'm looking for my buying entries. This could be a break of structure on the lower time frame, such as the 1 minute, I mean not 1 minute, 1 hour or 15-minute time frame. And I'm looking to get in on this continuation trade to continue going up. All right, so all we're looking for is for break and retest, you guys. Break and retest. That's how I was able to make $1,000 today trading YM. So on YM today, I was able to catch this buy trade here. I'll post a video too if you guys don't believe me. I was able to catch this buy here. So notice how we have a support area. My biggest thing is trading off key areas. Whenever the market is in a support area or resistance area, you will get some type of reaction. And off that small reaction, you can make money. So for instance, let's say the market comes to this support area, right, and buys up. Even though it doesn't buy up all the way, right? Even this move here, you can make money, right? So we can make money just from this move. And what happens after that doesn't matter. If it breaks below here, what do you think we're waiting for? A retest to sell. So the market's either going to do two things, buy or sell. We just have to put ourselves in the right position to capitalize off the buys or sells. So here, I notice how the market hit this area. The market hit this support area. And then during New York session, I scaled down to the 5 or 15-minute time frame. Let me zoom out. So here I scaled over to this 5 or 15-minute time frame. So I scaled to this 5 or 15-minute time frame, and then we got this somewhat of a W pattern off this resistance area. So this is like a sideways W pattern, right? So notice how we got something like this sideways W pattern. Notice how we took out liquidity from this area and we started wicking on the higher time frame. So me knowing that we're off a key area, I have a strong inkling that this is going to continue buying up. So once I seen this strong momentum candle buying up, I got in. I got in right here. Once I seen it broke above this high, I got in. Stop loss was here. My TP was at this resistance. Oh, let me fix that. My TP was at this resistance right here. All right, so this was almost a 1 to 2, right? I could have targeted more, however, because it did go almost for a 1 to 3, but I didn't want to bypass this resistance area. So the market could have reversed here and sold all the way down. So this was an easy setup. I think I was like in the shower when I caught this setup. It was a really simple setup. All right. The main thing is the higher time frame. Paying attention to the higher time frame and seeing how the market reacts off that time frame. And then once you see how it reacts, if it's rejecting, you drop to a lower time frame and you wait for your confirmations. All right. So this is just a little market outlook on what I expect to happen on gold. I'm expecting something similar what we had on US 30. I want to see the market react off this level and then buy up. Other than that, there's no trades for me right now. I'm just looking out for this gold trade. All right, because gold is paying the bills. All right, so to close out this video, I want you guys to really take everything I said and really apply it. You guys cannot want to be profitable if you are not doing the things to become profitable. So if you guys are not seeking proper mentorship to really guide you guys, you can't guide yourself, right? Everyone has a teacher. No matter how you good you think you are, everyone needs a teacher. All right. So if you guys need mentorship or anything, I'm willing to help you guys. Even if you don't want to join the mentorship, I have a learning earn. You don't want to, just sit down and really apply knowledge and learn. If you just want to copy and paste my trades and make money that way, I have a learn and earn on my website. Or if you just want to join the free chat, you could do that as well. So I have a lot of different options for you guys. If you're serious, you could join the mentorship and apply. I'm only taking serious people. If you do not qualify, to be a part of the mentorship, then you will not get accepted. Because I'm tired of trying to teach people who are not willing to be taught, if that makes sense. I need coachable students who want to actually learn and be successful. All right, because I'm all about helping others achieve their dreams and goals, because I know how hard it was for me to achieve my goals. So, to close out this video, if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or even in the comments. Feel free to message me, and I'm always available to help and always willing to help you guys. All right. So apply everything I learned and stay tuned for the YouTube channel because I will be dropping a lot of content for you guys. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.